Well, I said I'd check it out when it dropped, and it's here now. NEXZ's dance practice for Rain Song. It's raining with it. They covered on Immortal songs too. Let's check it out. This is gonna be awesome. Oh my, they came in so coolly. Wait, 1 second, sorry. Look at this intro. Oh, guys, you. Look at you. That new hair color. Oh, Moya. I just noticed Moya in the back. Dude, look at Santa right there. This song's so good. Every time it actually covers, like, 2 p.m. or anything like that, I have so much fun, so I really love covering Rain. Jeez, man. What the heck? Like, right off the bat. They're going freaking hard, dude. This intro is insane. I'm gonna resist rewinding until I watch it through again. Oh. Ooh. Aw, Satan, look at him go. Yes. Go so good. Their vocals are so good on this. I love that part's given to Yuki. It's raining. His voice is so solo. Damn, look at Moya though. Oh, so many times I want to rewind. Come on, Yuki. What the heck? There's that once in a generation talent, Moya. Where'd it go? Ow. Yo. It actually never gets dancers. We have dancers, guys, for once. Oh, you hear his voice? Sorry, I said no rewinds, but... Oh. Oh my... Okay, again, I'm sorry. I literally said no rewinds, but look at you! Holy crap, man, the lighting made him look insane. Yeah, Yuki, I love that bit. Yes, Center Yuki. Yeah, I can't get over Moya's look. This is one of the coolest Moya looks I've ever seen. That looks so amazing. Hey, yeah, you know, is it weird for you, just like it's weird for me, to see NEXZ with like, other dancers? Besides themselves? I'm not used to that at all. Ooh, the shoulders, Moya. Bro, it's... Oh. Yeah, I said no rewinds, but this is crazy. I totally lied. I rewound after saying I wasn't gonna. Sorry, everybody. I'm just a liar. Oh. You! Come on. That was so freaking hard. Like, the energy was so insane. Again, obviously. Now, full rewind warning. It's gonna get even more annoying than last time. Oh, Abu. Yuri! Yeah, this Moya is killing me. I guess I'm looking over at Moya. Yo! Like, the energy we have right off the bat is insane. You can always trust NEXZ to make some freaking incredible intro. Woo! Nice. Damn. Get Moya out of my face, man. He looks too amazing. Oh, sorry, look at his arm, man. Dude's so buff. Nah, sorry. Wow. You hear Yui, man. One of the greatest all-rounders ever, man. That voice. Heck yeah. Look at him go. That's my guy, man. Again. Look at his pops, man. Hell yeah. Why is that so satisfying? Why is it in this and in like in the 2TM covers the most satisfying part, the breathing bits? Yeah. I love that Yuki's this bit. His voice. It works because it's like nice and soft there. Guys, holy crap. You was extra muscly right now. Yeah, dude. Backwards red cat Moya is just destroying me, killing me. Man looks amazing. Come on, Yuki. Ooh. Sorry, but... Damn. The amount of cool shit that's in this, like, imagine being, I know this is from Mortal Songs, not really a festival, but, imagine being at like a festival, like when they go to the summer SBS festival, and having to go on stage after them. What do you do? After they had an intro like this, and you pull in tricks and shit, would imagine if you had to go after them. For everyone, because, like, that's insane. TV under the lighting of the flashlights looks crazy. Sorry. Oh, I went back too far. Oh well, we'll look at you again. Come on. Yes, second shit though. Yeah, Yuki right there. Sounds so good. Perfect member to have to do that bit. Oh, this song's so loud. I love it. Come on. Oh god, I looked over Moya again, and I'm distracted. Sing the song, because you know, like when they cover God 7, they usually don't sing the song, they just like they literally just started God 7 and 8 and they didn't sing it. Or did they sing it? I don't even freaking remember. Anyway, I think they did sing it at 8con. Never mind, I take that back. They do usually sing it for the covers. They did it because I'm used to everybody else not singing in their covers. Come on. The breathing! breathing, guys, the breathing. You know how taxing this is to have NEXZ out of breath? They have the most insane stamina ever. It feels like they could never get tired, and they're so out of breath after this one. This outro, it's crazy. Oh, I look at Moya again. I gotta stop looking at Moya. Oh no, now he's center. He was real good throughout this whole thing. Yes, let's go. Oh, the dancers, man. I have to give it to them too. But it's also, again, it's just weird to see NEXZ have more dancers. Because it's like 9 out of 10 stages. Actually, it might even be like 99% of all NEXZ stages. They're just them. You're trying to, like, make a point, like, you're on Immortal songs, you're trying to be like, hey, this is the legendary man, we're covering a legendary song by him. Of course you want to make it fuller with more people. They have so many people that can barely fit them all in that dance bracket room. Dude, I cannot get over this part, I'm addicted to watching it. I'm going so hard. Oh. Oh, that's not words for how freaking amazing this is. I swear I could watch this 1,000 more times, but like, I literally do have to cut it at some point, so it's gonna be this point. But that was freaking amazing. I also should point out, if you are wondering why this is the dance practice and not the stage got super uber nuked into oblivion with a copyright block. So this is what we got. You know, I was gonna do both anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And honestly, dance practice sometimes, like, if I'm gonna be real with you, this is so much clearer because the Immortal Songs thing, the cameras were like having a hard time with all the flashing lights and like taking in just everything, and they looked so pixely and blurry in that stage. So it's nice to see it here because it's so much cleaner. It's so much clearer. And again, these are the best dancers in the entire gen. They're freaking amazing. They might be the best dancers in like any group promoting right now. The performance that they always put on is crazy. They are performers through and through, and they did so well. Like the vocals of this. Like, actually, let me turn the sound back on, man. Where did I put my cursor? There we go. Like, leaving and then I'm playing it again. You know you're addicted to a group when you say you're gonna end your video and you keep I restarted for a good bit of singing, but now I restarted the dance break. There's Moya there. It's maximum swag Moya. Dude, everybody here is going crazy, but fucking Moya, dude. Where the hell did JYP find Moya? Oh, I'm sorry, greatest JYP leader. Why is the flashlight been so good? It's so clean. Why is this even my favorite Q, you know? What is it about? I don't know, man. Come on, Santa. Again, sorry. The voice. I would say, man, give Satan more vocals. His voice is so good, though. You know what I'm saying now. Let's go, Ken. I've been lying throughout this whole thing. I said I wouldn't rewind and I rewound. I said the video was done. I watched it again. Sorry, I guess I'm just having a live all day, huh? Oh, sorry for yelling. I'm so sorry for yelling. But this bit here, it's so fucking crazy. I'm sorry, I should for swearing, but yeah. Oh no, I looked over at Moya again. Oh, guys, I just saw everybody here though. But look at Seta. Look at Seta's face. Okay. You know what? Yeah. This is me lying day. We're going again. Okay. Fully promise this is the last time. No, I'm being completely sincere this time. I'm done with this. I will make myself stop. And then I'll go watch this 1,000 more times on my own. There's no one saying I have to. There's a maximum time this can be, but I don't want to have like a huge file. You gotta click stop at some point. Oh, you! Nah, get that Moya out of my face. Get this Moya out of my face. This is an OP Moya. Okay, I said I was going to watch one more time, but I didn't say I wouldn't rewind. Still not lying. Seta. That's might be my favorite bit. Seta's bit here. This section. Man. Again, Yuki. Yuki's voice here. Yeah, it's raining out. It's such a good choice to give it to Yuki. I couldn't pick anybody better. Why are these like this fit's not that crazy, but they're now like some of my favorite fits from the boys. It looks insane. Half of them are sweats and look insane. Half of them are in tank tops and look insane. That is so. Yo, other groups, one guy would do that. Not everybody. Come on, Haru. Okay, this is also one of my favorite bits. Why is this bit so good? Look at Yumi. No. Oh, I went back too far. Oh well. I just hit it one more time. Trying to hear him. I need this cover is like a thing I can play this. It's so good. I don't know what to say. They're just literally the best. Bro, Moya. Come on through, Moya. Oh, look, you hear me right there? Yeah. Come on, Santa. Moya. New favorite Moya unlocked. Yeah. It's so freaking hard. It looks so exhausting. Yo. Dude, the breathing, man. I'm gonna say it again. Imagine how much it must take. Like how hard. I just tripped on my own words. I'm like, can't even talk anymore at this point. What I was trying to say is, oh my god, I don't even remember. Let's just watch the last bit again and maybe don't remind me what I was gonna say. Oh, I was gonna say, for them to be that tired when these guys have insane stamina, so he's dancing. You know, it's a tricky boy. Dancers, everybody's breathing. Again, dancers did such a good job too. I have to point them out, man. It'd be disrespectful not to, because they really killed it. But again, 100 time I'm missing it. It's weird to see other dancers, isn't it? It's like it's actually dance classes are usually just that. Look at them shaking the flipping. How is that even? Someone's holding the camera on like a rig, but somehow they're still shaking it with how freaking forceful they are. Or maybe the camera's shaking it. I don't know. Oh, their chat like. Oh, it's so smooth. Okay. Anyway, I can watch this all day. I have to end it at some point. Oh my god, I'm already over 20 minutes. Oh my god, I thought I was like here for like 5 minutes. This is crazy. This is flipping amazing. I cannot wait until what? Let me say 2 days from now when the real NEXZ is out. But until then, I'm off. So I hope you have yourself a wonderful, amazing, great day out there today. Even an awesome day out there today. And bye bye.